Minista na-afụ maka ọrụ na-ana anyị apụtagokwanụ wee kwuo ife gburu Mary Habila. Ọ sị na Mary Habila na ọ dị ka nwa ya nwaanyị, na Mary Habila alụgori ọrụ for 3 years, na ọ na-alụ nọọsụ na ebe ọ nwere yunivasiti, na Mary Habila anwụghọ n'ụlọ bịa, na ọ nwụrụ na kwọtasị ebe ọ na-enye ndị na-alụrụ ya ọrụ. Chetanụ na ndị uwe ojii gwara anyị na ebe ebutere ozu Mary bụ n'ụlọ minista bụkwanụ Dave Umahi, na mgbe ebutere ozu ya ebe ahụ na Mary Habila gba ọtọ na ọbara sie n'ọnụ sie n'imi wee na-apụ, mana Dave Umahi na-akọwa na ọ bụghị n'ụlọ bie ka ebutere Mary, na ebe ebutere Mary bụ n'ebe ọ na-enye ndị na-alụrụ ya ọrụ ụlọ ebe fa na-ebi, n'ebe ebutere ozu Mary. Ndị Sahara Reporter wee dee wee sio na ya bụ nwata nwaanyị asị ya na Mary Habila yi wee jebe n'ụlọ be minista last month, na nwata nwaanyị ahụ gwarafa na ebe ebutere ozu Mary bụ n'otu ịmụ na agbachidoro Mary ụzọ, n'ebe ahụ ka eji ebute ozu Mary, ọ bụ na Mary gba ọtọ wee nwụ. Minista na-akọwa na ife niile ahụ bụ asị, na Mary Habila na ọ nwụghọ n'ụlọ bịa, na ọ nwụrụ na kwọtasị ebe ọ na-enye ndị na-arụrụ ya ọrụ, na ya na Mary Habila alụgo ọrụ 3 years, na Mary Habila abịaghị be ya last month, nọọsụ 3 years ka nwata nwaanyị a na-alụ nọọsụ, and na ya bụ Mary Habila abụọzikwa onye na-eme masaji. Chetanụ na ndị news dere anyị wee gwa anyị na minista kwuru na Mary Habila na ọmụ onye ọrụ mgbe ọ nwụrụ, mgbe a jụrụ ya ajụjụ na ya bụ nwata nwaanyị bụ ndị na-eme masaji. Minista nọkwazi ebe a na-akọwa na Mary Habila ahakwazi eme masaji, nọọ nọọsụ ka ọ bụ, na ọ na-alụbu n'ụlọ bịa, na Mary Habila na-ayabu ahụ, na mgbe ọ jere ịnwụ na ọ kpọrọ ya nwoke na fonu, ọbara sie n'ọnụ sie n'imi, si 3 minutes ya nwoke kootu akpọchie ya si ọtịkwa ya nwoke ife nwunye ya bịa nnọọ ka unu gere. Ndị mmadụ nọzi na kọmentị na-asị ya ebe ọ bụ na ya na Digel ebighị na Digel anwụghọ n'ụlọ bịa, kedu ka o si wee nụzi ife niile Digel na ya nwoke na-akpa na fonu bifo ọnya bụ nke nwaanyị wee nwụọ. Ya bụ akụkọ ọchakwọrọ mba. Minista nọkwa ebe a wee ṅụọ iyi na aka ya adịghị n'ọnwụ Mary, na ọ bụrụ na aka ya dị ya ntu Mary si wee nwụ ka ya na ezinụlọ ya si etu akpochapụ, ọ bụrụkwanụ na aka ya adịghị ya na ndị na-atụ ya aka na ọma ife merụ, na ekpere niile ọ na-ekpe na ya jee n'isi ndị ahụ, na ọnwụ Mary na ya jee n'isi ndị ahụ. Unu ya bịakwa nnọọ ka unu gere na ya bụ akụkọ ọ gbazikwere mbutu na nke ikpeazụ a. Minista na ebe a wee na-akọwa na ndị bụrụ ọ gasị na-abụ nwa na ọgwagwa lọya ya na ya chụgharịwa ndị ahụ na fa na-akpọta ya n'ihu akwụkwọ, wee sịkwa na o nwere otu onye uwe ojii onye selụlụ mgbari ọtọ Mary n'ebe a na-echekwaba ndị nwụrụ anwụ, wee sendịara ndị Sahara Reporter na ya bụ onye uwe ojii na ya na ya apịrị ya na ọ bụrụ na emechaa ife gbasara Mary na ya chọrọ ka emezie Mary autopsy. Chetanụ na-asị na ndị be ezinụlọ be Mary na fa asị na fa achọkwazi autopsy, na fa binyefe ozu nwa fa ka fa jekwa. A na-akọwa na mama Mary jeze na ụlọ uwe ojii nke ndị Ebonyi steeti nọrọ ebe ahụ na-ebe akwa dịka esikwa wee de na n'izuo nke nnukwu ka nkọrọ unu na unu nozikwa na minista si na onye ya taginye na foto taginye nwata nwaanyị a nwụrụ anwụ, maọbụ onye ya akpọ ya tinye onye n'obie ka ọ nọ wee nwụ, na ya na ya emeju ife afọ. Chetanụ na sinsi ndị Northern Youth Council ji wee pụta wee sị ya na ya resign wa, minista emego vidio ife ruru ugboro na-akọwara ndị North ka ya bụ ife si wee mee. Unu afụgonu.
Information I want to correct is that the lady in question was like a daughter to me. She had stayed with me for 3 years. She was a staff of the Federal Medical University. She was a nurse and not a physiotherapist. And the family and my family are like one family. And she has her medical records in Turkish hospital, being paid by us. She spoke to her boyfriend at the hour of her death and complaining that she was bleeding from the nose, and the boyfriend said, no, you have to report. You see it has stopped. So the boyfriend said, listen, I will not continue this conversation since you are bleeding, it will increase the bleeding. And she told the boyfriend, don't cut the call. The boyfriend cut the call. And 3 minutes later, the boyfriend called again. She was not responding. And even in the morning, she told the boyfriend she was going to bath because she locked her door, you know. So even in the morning, when they broke the door and discovered her dead, the tap was still running, you know. So, but what baffles me, you know, in this country is that everything becomes an opportunity. Now, there is a guest house where her and the second medical person stay. And that is very far from where I stay. And so it means that, God forbid, somebody dies in Ministry of Works, the minister must be accountable to that. Is that what they are saying? Is that saying that somebody cannot die? Is that, have they checked the medical records of the lady? Do they know, you know, that this lady was like a daughter to me, and that everything goes into politics. But what I say to people, be careful. Life is spiritual. When you want to use the unfortunate death of a young girl to play politics, if we have hands in the killings, it will follow us in our family. But if we don't have hands and you are jumping into it, behold, this is David. I'm a man of full grace. You don't, tackle me anyhow and you go out of it. So be careful when you want to use the death of that young lady. One of my best workers, a nurse, a staff of the federal. Somebody said, oh, they were transported. The second girl is from Benue State, and that girl has worked with me as a governor before she was employed. And so when people darken the so while I'm not talking to the president, that means nothing, but very painful to me that that girl passed on. It's very difficult to replace her, and the parents will be begging them, allow for autopsy to happen. They say it's against their culture. But the question is that if she were a Muslim, will you be insisting that autopsy will happen? But we insisted to our lawyer that autopsy should happen, and we are begging the parents to allow autopsy to happen. And I say no, it's against their culture. And so we have a statement, and only God will resolve it, because I have directed that the corpse cannot be removed until they have done autopsy. But it's very strange why an unfortunate thing that happened, is being made this. Is it that we killed a woman that was giving me injection, or that, was administering drug to us, that live in our guest house, even in my residence in Asokoro. So what sort of rubbish is that? So, but people should be careful, because when I kneel down to pray, I say, when you push yourself into this, I say, God, may the death of the girl be better than their own death. That's my prayer for everybody that is using it to play politics. But if we have hands, let it also follow us. Because it can be very annoying when people use, people's, unfortunate incident and are playing politics. Some people are calling me, we are this organization, we want to do protest, we want you to see us. What is it? This is David. I don't fear battle, and I've never lost any, but life is spiritual. We need to be very, very careful. It's very important. So the matter is ongoing. We've reported to IG to transfer the case to Abuja, so that, because Ebonyi, I'm from Ebonyi, former governor there, so let them transfer it to Abuja and let them beg the family to do autopsy. I'm begging the family to meet with IG so that maybe IG can convince them. But there are medical records in Turkish hospital. The last one was on 5th of April, and it cost me 2.2 million. The records are there. I paid 2.2 million, So that is it. So I don't want to go, because it's like a daughter that died. So I'm mourning, and I laugh at, so she says a physiotherapist. They presented the girls as if they were wrong girls. These people were inside the plane with me, and my immediate staff. We flew together. It's not as if they even came to Ebonyi differently. We flew together, with them. We're going to Lagos, and this is not the first time. The boyfriend also told us that in Lagos, which was when we went for this coastal road, that she called him and said she was bleeding from the nose. He said, no, report to your boss. He said the boss will insist that she should go back to hospital, that she didn't want, and she don't stress me. So he said, look for hospital around there and go. That's the confession of the boyfriend, And so I've asked the police to go to the call log, and then they will see the last discussion, the girl had with the boyfriend at the hour of death, Because the moment the boyfriend started calling again, she was not picking the call again. So you can go to the call log of the boy, go to the call log of the girl, and you hear the conversation. It's an unfortunate thing that happens. And like I said again, she's been receiving treatment at Turkish hospital, and the medical records are there. So I don't want to join issues with anybody, but just know that the guest house far from where I was staying, and as the head of that home, I take responsibility in making sure that, the right thing is done. But I suspect no foul play, but because, is it the girl, the colleague from Benue State, that who they sleeping on the same bed? Is it the girl that we remotely kill her because her door was still locked. That door was broken before she did this thing. And the tap was still running, you know. And the police, you know, because I think she was going to bath. And so when they took her to the mortuary, that's when the police took the picture in the mortuary. They don't dress up in the mortuary and took the picture and they send out damaging information. The police, you know, whoever that spoke to Sarah reporter, after the burial, we answered to our family. We are not going to leave the matter lying. You know, I've directed my lawyers to get across to two, you know, people on cyber bullying on this matter. You know, so we're going to test the law on that. You know, so
thank you very much.
That's just it.
Thank you very much.
May her soul rest in peace.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. We are coming to the end of this